And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a water text effect. Got this footage right here. I added fall text. Reposition and resize it. Let me just call it ocean. It works on any font, style, color, so you can adjust your text here. And no matter what it is, we can apply the effect afterwards. But you have to right click on the element first and then create a compound clip. Once that is done, we go to effects, video effects, and I always forget the category. You know what, just let me type ripple into the search bar, and here we should find the ripple effects. There's a specific water ripples, so if you have the pro version you can use that. If you don't, you want to check out the 3 free ones. Ripple starts from the center, and the ripple effect is usually what you want to have, but don't click on the plus sign, instead drag and drop it on the compound clip so that only our text element has it. Most important are speed and strength. So speed is for how fast it ripples. Strength is, you could say, for the amplitude. Twist is also somewhat important, and sharpen and blur are just for the edges. And then there is this size adjustment, which is for the distortion intensity. Usually you don't want to have that too high. And this is how you can create this water text effect. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.